Hello everyone. In this session, we'll see another question on improved Euler method coming under numeric solutions of differential equations. So it says solving the differential equation y dash is equal to y with y0 equal to 1 and step size of 0.1 using Euler predictor corrector method that is improved Euler method find y after first 5 step. So we need to solve this differential equation with the initial condition y0 is equal to 1 and step size h is equal to 0.1. Improved Euler method is also known as predictor corrector, like we have already discussed predictor and correctors. Predictor is the yn star, whereas corrector is the final yn plus 1. So improved Euler method, y after first 5 step. So 5 step means y h is equal to 0.1. That means y1 will be at x equal to 0.1, then x equal to 0.2, then 0.3, then 0.4, and then 0.5, like that. So first of all, we know that yn plus 1 in this case is given as yn plus h by 2 function at xn comma yn plus function at xn plus 1 and yn plus 1 star, where yn plus 1 is given as yn plus h times of f of xn yn, right? So let's see. So this h is equal to 0.1, f of xn yn is y dash or y dash at n, which is nothing but yn. Also y0 is 1. So these are the informations provided. So let's see what is yn plus 1 star first. This is yn plus h times of f of xn comma yn. So this is yn plus h is 0.1 times of function of x and yn is nothing but yn again. So this is yn. So this becomes 1.1 times of yn. And yn plus 1 is given as yn plus h by 2 function at xn yn plus function at xn plus 1 and yn plus 1 star. That means this is yn, h is 0.1, so 0.1 by 2. Function at x and yn is simply yn, and function at xn plus 1 yn plus 1 star. So what is yn plus star? This is 1.1 yn. So in that case, function at xn plus 1 yn plus 1 star will simply be yn plus 1 star, which is nothing but 1.1 yn. So this is going to be 1.1 yn. And finally this is going to be 1.105 yn. This is our yn plus 1. Now we can directly put the yn values because it is anyways not depending on xn, and find the values required. So after 5 steps, that means y0 is already known, y0 is 1, so y1 will be 1.105 times of y0. I'm writing directly y0, obviously n plus 1 and n. So this is going to be again 1.105, as y0 is 1. y2 will be 1.105 times of y1, which is 1.105 into 1.105, and this is 1.221. y3 is 1.105, y2 which is 1.105 into 1.221, which is 1.349. y4 is 1.105 y3 1.105 into 1.349, which is 1.490. Although it is 4909, we are taking up to 3 decimal places. This is also fine. y5 is 1.105 times of y4, which is 1.6474, and this is our value after 5 step, right? First step, second step, third step, fourth step and fifth step. So this is the value we want.